how to transfer your crypto from Bitget Exchange to the Bitget Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that you want to do is to open up the Bitget wallet right here, because in order to send something into our wallet we need to grab the address of our wallet right here, which you have to do. Inside the Bitget wallet you can just go ahead and click on the receive button, select the crypto that you want to receive on your wallet. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select ETH right here. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and copy the address of your wallet right here. Go ahead and click on the copy button. And now you want to head over to the Bitget Exchange. Now since we have our balance or our crypto in the Bitget Exchange, all we have to do is to go ahead and click on the send funds right here. Now inside your assets, you can just navigate through the spot right here, which is the spot wallet. And inside you want to go ahead and withdraw this wallet right here. Now inside withdraw, you have to select the assets right here, which is this one. And inside, all we have to do is to click on the on-chain withdrawal. From here, go ahead and paste the address. And lastly, you have to paste the amount that you want to withdraw to your wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.